Cursive lowercase k, the reason why it follows cursive lowercase h is because how they're formed is so incredibly close, except for one part where you curve forward, then curve under, and that's this part right here. Under curve, loop back, slant, over curve, curve forward, curve under, slant right, under curve. After you've practiced the letter K several times and you feel comfortable, you can write the word cake, C-A-K-E. Remember, don't pick up your pencil. You want to try to make sure that your letters are uniform, which means about the same, and that they don't cross that imaginary halfway line in your lined paper. Practice the word kite, K-I-T-E. Lift up your pencil, cross your T, dot your I. Know, as in I know the answer, K. N, two humps, O, connect up top with that check stroke, straight into your W. Dock, D, all the way up, O, connect up top right into the arc of the C from your O. Okay. Kind, K-I-N-D. Dot your I. Lake, L-A-K-E. And lock. We have several words that you can practice today. O-C-K. Practice writing each of your words 3 times so that you feel comfortable with K before you move on to your next letter.